420 Things Grow in Ontario. Back at you with the magical butter. You've seen the previous video. If not, I'll put a little something up here for a link to the unboxing of this unit. After running it for my first run, I started running into some problems. Yeah, it's not supposed to be making that sound. So, as you can see in that other video, it's squealing pretty bad. So what I did is I reached out to both magicalbutter.com, because they're a unit, and I also reached out to indoorgrowingcanada.com, the website that sponsored me the channel for this. And both were super helpful. They're like, yeah, no, let's get you a new one. Let's figure it out, right? But what Magical Butter did is they told me, they said, yeah, you know, we've seen a few units come like this, right? We've seen it happen. How long have you used it? What did you do with it? I said, I just got it, man. Literally my first run, and it was working, and then it wasn't. They said, yeah, what we've seen, and a few of them to come back on warranty, has been the bearing. Let it run for a little bit. Let's get through the cycle, get the bearing working, and let's see if it sort of, you know, works itself out. So sure enough, I did a couple 8-hour cycles, ran it, and it's still doing it. So I reached back out to their support via their email, and then I called and told them what was going on, and they were like, yeah, no, let's get you a new one sent out. I'm like, perfect. Like, literally, I did what they asked me, and away we go. So, hey, that's great. Less than a week, I have this one, and in less than a week, I got another one in a box from the States, right? So this came FedEx. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Ooh, check this out. It's their new. I seen them on their social media pages talking about this new design. Looks like I've got one. Let's pull this out and take a look. Yeah, the box is completely different. Magical Butter. Cool. Yeah, oh look, the glove looks like it's a different color. Kind of with this blue. As you can see, I've already opened this. Had to redo the video, but anyways, let's open it up, guys. This is different here. This is packaging here. This one, let's show you the difference between this one and this one. This one's styrofoam, top and bottom. This one's not styrofoam anymore. So I guess that's safer for the environment, right? So, pull the unit out. Pull the two units out. So as you can see, they got a new logo here. Everything else is pretty much the same. Warning on the back. Yeah. Got the unit of, oh, stuck on there, brand new. Yeah. Looking pretty much exactly the same, just a new facelift on the top, eh? This one turned around. Yeah, the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour, and all the temperature settings are the same. So that's good. Let's put that down. Make sure it doesn't fall. Let's take a look on the inside of the new unit. So the new unit's got a little bit of a logo here. I don't know what that number is. Maybe that's, I don't know what that logo is. It's my serial number, maybe? Who knows? And then the Magical Butter logo on the outside, Magical Butter logo on the inside, and the Max Min. A little bit easier to see, in my opinion. Look at over here, it's a little dark. It's kind of hard to see in there. You can barely see it. Look in here. Nice and visible. So yeah, there's that. Well, let's go see what the rest is inside here. Oh, in the bottom here too, cardboard. Magical Butter logo on the cardboard. Still good. Oh, we got two books now. Magical Butter's owner manual, owner's cookbook. Let's see what came in the other one. The other one was just the owner's manual. So we got some other stuff in here. I'm assuming the owner manual is very similar. Oh yeah, different languages there. And again, just some information about your unit. Sweet. Oh, wrong box. cookbook. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. Bunch of different recipes here. That's cool. I guess they're in different languages too. Sticky icky wings. Yeah, so that's handy. I know they have a lot of recipes on their website too, so that's pretty good. But yeah, this is the new color of the glove. Nice little change they've done here, eh? Oh. Another bag. So, not much more I can say about this, but man, this is good stuff, man. Both companies, like I said, both companies were really helpful, and get me back going right away. So can't say anything bad about that. I mean, yeah, I got the unit, it was bad, and I had to sit, I had to call them and do a thing and whatever. But man, within a few days, I had a replacement. This is great. All right, well, I guess that's about it. Just to give one more shout out to indoorgrowingcanada.com. They sponsored this to begin with. I wouldn't have had this one without them. So check out their website. If you go to there, use the coupon code 420things, all one word, at checkout, and you get a bit of a discount. And if you sign up for their mailing list for new customers, you get a one-time $10 off coupon. So check them out, and they sell your magical butter machine right online. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for now. And come back and like, subscribe, do all that jazz, and we'll be back here with some more stuff here.